everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from hun-cut Industries. First of all, I would like to apologize why I'm so late with this video. After 2 years we managed to go back to Hungary and visit my family. We spent 2 weeks there, the weather was brilliant. A lot of very good food and drink, and I'm still in holiday mood, so in today's video we haven't achieved a lot, but welded up questionable areas. Please stick around and let's see how we get on with the project. So today is not going to be any super interesting topic. I'm gonna weld up around the step, the wheel arch. Well, this needs to be done, so hey ho, let's go.
Fish face, all I see is a big disgrace. Where's the good ones in this place? Well, general by major pain, 2 and 2 inside my brain. Listen up to that sweet refrain.
Okay, so most of the welding is done. I didn't even grind it off yet, just left it as it is. I cleaned up with a wire wheel. Yeah, the step is done. It's solid. I'm very happy with it. So next time I'm gonna get a grinder and just clean it off. Yeah, it's getting there. A little bit more filling, sanding to do. They left quite thick welds. At least there's something. There's some meat in there, so I can sand those down. I know it's still gonna be sanded back and treated and everything, but just as a guide code how it looks when it's painted. Sometimes it's just you think it's need a lot more, but by the time you paint it, it's actually not too bad. gonna show us what we done here. And yeah, all these needs to be probably hammer and dollied back. The paint is highlighting everything what still needs doing. Have a quick look what's underneath, what's behind the wheel. It's not too bad, I would say, rust wise. This needs a little bit more work, but altogether it's pretty solid. Just gotta weld it along on this side as well, make sure everything is welded up. Just try to do my best and keep this baby on the road. I just got myself some new gloves. The previous one completely burned out, but it wasn't a proper welding glove. So these are magic. Alright guys, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I promise next time it's gonna be a bit more productive. I'm still in holiday mood, so don't give a shit. See you next time.